Welcome to IndianShareTips.com, and today we are going to learn a lot from our epics, and what better it can be if we can learn from Mahabharata as stock traders. Remember that you cannot ignore the history as history repeats itself, and this happens very often in stock market. So you have to go through this video deliberately so that you are able to overcome these mistakes which you undertake as a stock trader in the market. These four lessons are very valuable lessons which are being derived from Mahabharata. First among the lessons is emotions aspect. Remember that we are emotional by nature, and similarly, Dhritarashtra had blind love toward Duryodhan, which leads to Mahabharata. Similarly, as traders, we have blind love and affection towards certain stocks, and we get so blinded that we start looking into value buying when stock starts falling down or break crucial support levels. Remember, as a trader, you have to respect the trend and do not get blinded by a company affection. Never say in your mind, this is a very good company, and if it is going down, no problem, I will buy it at a lower price. It goes further down, you will buy it further at a lower price. Case in point we will quote is Himachal Futuristic, which at its peak was at 2000 rupee level, and when it started falling, it came into single digit. So all those who were in love with Himachal Futuristic and were thinking that from 2000 ये और कितना नीचे जा सकता है, can see that it fell to single digit levels. Second point is greed. Duryodhan had a greed towards Hastinapur, and he never wanted to share an inch of land with his other brothers. So what you can derive a lesson from this is that you have to keep booking the profit regularly, as the profit in hand is the actual profit. And remember that you have to take your part of the profit and leave the rest of the profit for others also. You cannot be like this कि मैं सारा profit ले लूँगा. Nobody in this market has been ever able to capture the market peak at any given point or capture the bottom. So you take your own profit and leave balance for the other stock market traders, because whosoever is buying is also buying with the hope that stock market stock will go up, and he will also get out with the profit. Remember, in your greed you forget this aspect that you have to trade with the constant capital, and with small successes you get overconfident, and that is when you lose your senses and start playing big, and a single mistake can bring you a lot of pain in the market. Remember the Murphy's law, and remember to trade with constant capital irrespective of your success or losses in the market. This will ensure that even if you suffer some losses, you are not out of the market, as aim is to stay in the market for the longish period and be able to master it and start making money on a regular basis. Then the next point which we come, the third part, is the ego. There was a great ego fight between Karna and Arjun for the supremacy. Because of this, as traders, we get into the vengeance trading and undertake the action called as galti pe galti. Remember that as stock traders, you do not have to fight with the market to prove that market is wrong and you are Mr. Right. Moment you realize this aspect, you will soon start realizing that your profits are becoming bigger and losses are becoming minimal. Remember, losses are a part of stock market trading activity. It is a part of your business activity. You cannot have profitable days on daily basis. Stop loss has to occur in the market. Respect the market decision and do not trade in counter trend to prove yourself Mr. Right that market is doing wrong and you are the guy who knows everything. And last fourth lesson which you can learn from Mahabharat is the stop loss. Remember that had Yudhishthir put stop loss in gambling, he would not have seen the Mahabharat. Had he not put the woman on table for gambling, probably this epic would have been missing from our lives. So remember that stop loss is a must in your activity, in your day trading activity, because stop loss is not your enemy but a friend, as it is a risk control mechanism. You should feel happy that if you have been able to put the stop loss in a disciplined manner, and if it gets hit, don't get worried, because you have achieved a big breakthrough of putting the stop loss and following it in totality. So we have given you these 4 lessons. Please imbibe these in your stock market trading life and make money in the market. Remember that we are SEBI registered investment advisory services, and you can get benefited with our best bank nifty option tips for intraday or intraday stock tips, commodity tips and delivery tips. We take pride in the fact that we keep control of these emotions during our advisory services activities and make sure our clients make money, because in their success lies our success. We will leave the links for our services in the description box, and we look forward for an association with you. And lastly, do remember to share this video with your friends and colleagues, and remember to subscribe to the channel, give it a thumbs up if you like it, and press the bell icon so that you get notified moment any update in the YouTube is given by us. Thank you.